Look at what we found this morning, y'all. Oh, and good morning. But oh my lord. Let's see what it has under the hood. 196. I mean, this thing is almost untouched.
The only thing missing is gas cap.
T-tops. Oh, is this a front nose? There, give me a hand. Look at that. Look at that, baby. This thing is... I mean, our intake's pulled off. Dude. That's the big motor.
What happened to it, I wonder?
I don't know, but I mean, it's got a full cold air intake system, MSD blaster coil. I mean, somebody tweaked out on it, that's for sure. But this thing would probably run. I mean, damn. Where's the dipstick at? Where's the dipstick?
Oh, well, you know, this door opens too.
Yeah.
Got a stereo still in it?
Mm-hmm. Let's see.
No
This will tell us if it runs or not. It still has nice green coolant in there.
Like brand new.
I mean, it still has nice green coolant. It's still got good coolant in it.
Does?
Yeah.
How long has it ain't been here long?
Oh no, it's in a new area.
Yeah, there's somebody gonna rip this one apart. That's a shame.
It is. It really is.
That's a shame.
It showed up last month on the 6th.
Got a little bit of rust, but then I ain't nothing.
Dude. That'd be a fun little car to drive around. But we're here looking for Dakota parts. So it's all the way in the damn back. We'll come back. Damn. That one was nice. Hey, good morning to YouTube, Dad.
Good morning.
We're out here looking for the 05 Dakota parts. Oh yeah, nice breeze. Said he's got a gray one out here. I ain't found it yet. We're in an undisclosed location.
You're gonna get a hit on that corner. Look, you see that?
No shit. If y'all hit me up through my social media channels, I might tell you where it is. And you have to subscribe as well. And let me know you subscribed. I'm not seeing it anywhere. Said it was in the back, but damn. I mean, is it hidden? See another Dodge Grill, but I don't see any fucking Dakotas. Gray Dakota. Do y'all see it? Because I damn sure don't see it.
Let me get the little light that goes on the back of my bumper.
Okay. I mean, is it fucking buried? Another Dodge Ram. I've still yet to see. That's a dark Dakota. I mean, good heavens. I wonder if those headlights would match on a Dodge Dakota. Probably not, though. They won't match the hood. Fuck! Alright, so no. We have not found the parts that they said were here. So we're now looking down the entire row of the Dodge graveyard to just see what they do in fact have, since he apparently doesn't know what he has. And the 81Z, parts only. Sorry, internet. If you want to know where you can get the parts, they're at Dismantlers 2000 here in Fort Worth. That's where we're at today. The guy was being kind of a butthead. He's like, I'm sorry, no parts. Or parts only. Can't sell the whole car. Like, I'm getting tired of walking, y'all. Ready to get back in the air conditioning. Call me a pussy, I don't give a shit. I don't see a damn thing out there. Nope. We'll walk back the other way on the other corner. There's some of those, but they're too old. That one's too old. No, this way. Oh, there's the right body style. Wait a minute. Oh, that's what's left of the gray bumper. That's it. Anything left from the insides? No. Oh, shit. Yeah. Front camera. Oh, this is sketch. Here, Dad. Hold the camera. Face it towards me. Alright, there you go. There's a volume button on that side. Alright, y'all. Anything to bet? Nada. Fuck. Oh, this sucks. Trying to get staff out here. Mm-hmm. Alright, I don't think we're going to find it here, so we're going to go on to the next yard. We'll be back. Alright, everybody. Sorry, I'm holding the phone. We went tits up in Kennedale. There was nothing over there. Next spot we're headed to is over in the Grand Prairie. We're going to go out there and run up and down that row. Try not to die because it's 99 degrees already on the dash. I know it's a lot hotter than that. Walking through some of these yards, it feels like I'm literally walking across the surface of the damn sun. So, pray for me. We'll return in just a little bit. Okay, so we made it to the kids' school. We went through 3 different sections of wrecking yards: Elliott Reeder, Mansfield Highway, and Jefferson Street in Grand Prairie. I ended up with 1 headlight and 1 bumper piece of foam. 05 to 07 Dodge Dakota is a real bitch to track parts down for, apparently, when they only make it for 2 years. So, might have some more stuff today. I got to get these parts put on the truck. At least with headlights I can drive it. So, there's that. But I really don't like driving a truck with its bumper and all its parts. Oh well, though. We'll run it. We'll see y'all later. Alright, we're on our way back to the shop. Gonna put the headlights on this truck and do an oil change. And then it's gonna make its first drive out of the shop since it showed up. I know it'll be fine. It's just, it looks ugly as fuck. Oh well. Oh, guys. It's rear brakes to do on our own minivan. I don't know why it's got me like looking all soft on my skin. Like, that's not what I look like. I have 1 shock to change, all 8 plugs to change on the Dakota. Put all that back together and get all that cleaned up. Then move all my tools from the minivan and move them over to the Dakota. I don't know yet. I don't know. We'll see. I'm so tired, y'all. Like, it's been a long, hot day. Took the day off of work. We didn't do any calls. We've answered a lot of calls, done a lot of quotes. I'm so tired. Still so much to do. I haven't even eaten my dinner yet. I still gotta get this video up tonight. Man. Life sucks, then we die. We'll be right back. And we'll get some footage of working on the vehicles outside tonight. Hey everybody. Okay, so it's Monday night. I did not get any video shot because, well, let's be honest, it's not very wise to take a Note 9 outside when you're working on cars and expect something bad not to happen to it. Deductibles on phone insurance plans are a real bitch to pay for. So, but I'm going to go ahead and make this video end here. Thank you guys for, watching my videos. Thank you guys for caring. Means a lot. Like I said, I'm trying to make daily videos, trying to make the best content I can come up with for you. Haven't really gotten a whole lot of ideas necessarily other than talking about politics. I mean, we can talk about that, but majority of what I do every day is mechanical work. Tomorrow I'm going to try and upload, maybe do some live streaming. I don't know. We're going to be out at Mr. Reeves' property, undisclosed location. Be working on the 32 hot rod, installing a new wiring harness. That's going to be a lot of fun tomorrow. I can't wait. Y'all will get to see the nice work environment that I get to work in when I do get to go over to Mr. Reeves' place. He takes very good care of me. I got a lift. I got a nice little shop to work in. It's a real nice little setup. So we got the plugs changed in the Dodge Dakota. We got the rear brakes changed on the minivan. Put a new shock on the Dodge Dakota because it had a bent shock. I don't know how that happened. Got all my tools moved over to the Dakota. Got a new headlight on it. 2005 to 2007 Dodge Dakota parts are incredibly difficult to get a hold of. Took me all day long just to get a piece of foam and a headlight. Yeah. I went to 3 different junkyard alleys. No one had anything except a headlight, and I randomly found the foam piece that sits underneath the plastic bumper cover. But we went ahead and took the original rebar that I did have that was bent. We bent it back. I shot some paint on it, make it look nice and shiny. Shine a turd up as much as you can. I've got a shake in the tires. We'll get to a tire shop. We'll get that figured out. But I'll go ahead and I'm going to shut up. We're almost at 3 minutes. I've got a bunch of other footage from the day as well that's previous that way. So, or maybe I'll put it at the end of this. Anyway, like, subscribe, ring that bell so you always know whenever I post a new video, and then subscribe. Y'all stay frosty because it's been really hot. Like, I hope your AC works good. I hope your car's running top notch. Keep up with your maintenance, because if you don't make time for your maintenance will make you make time. And that's just talking to you real. I had to do a set of brakes today that I've been putting off for the last few days. Changed the oil in the truck, which I don't know when the last time anyone ever changed the oil in that truck or changed the plugs. The plugs were horrible. But I apologize, I didn't get any video on it. I don't really record a lot of how-to videos. I mostly just show some of the fun stuff that I do while I'm at work. A lot of times I'm just busting ass and don't really want to film a lot, because if I film, then it takes me longer to do my job. The faster I work, the more of this I make. So I'm very tired. I've been up since 8 a.m. It's now a little bit past 10. I haven't stopped all day. All day long, been running. But we got everything done. Again, y'all stay frosty. Good night, YouTube.